Hey guys, welcome back to Oma Sport. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make the tastiest and delicious abacha. Yes, using frying method, okay? It is called African salad in English, but popularly known as abacha. Guys, I grew up to know it to be called abacha, okay? So we're going to be crafting a delicious abacha. Yes, so all you need to do is to continue watching and of course trust the process. So guys, we are starting with the abacha. Here is a dry abacha made from cassava. Yes. So now we're going to soak them, okay? We want it to be soft a bit. If you want it to be that too soft, please make use of warm water or hot water. Yes, some people do that, but I prefer cold water. All right, now go in with some water. We're going to allow it to sit for 5 minutes just to soften a bit, okay? Abacha is one of the native Nigerian delicacy that is super delicious, guys. I want you to give this recipe a try after watching this video, okay? You will love it. So now, guys, let's move on. Here is some of our ingredients. Yes, here is our garden egg all chopped. We'll be making use of all of this in this recipe. Yeah, this one is called ogiri. Yes, local seasoning. Yeah. And next is Ugba. Yes, made from oil, beans, something like that. Yes, just look at it. You can get all of this from any African store near you. Here is our pepper mix, just pepper and onions blend together. And here is our crayfish, ground crayfish. Next is our fish, grilled mackerel fish. Yes, we're going to be making use of it in this recipe, okay? It is our protein in this recipe. All right, guys, let's move on. Checking back on our soaked abacha. Guys, at this point, it is just perfect the way we want it. Like I said earlier, if you want your abacha too soft, continue soaking till you get what you really want, all right? For me, it is perfect. Now go on and drain it, okay? This is what I am talking about. Make sure you wash it because some, not just some, they always contain some dust and sand. So you need to wash it until everything is clean and drained. Allow to dry a bit. Now moving on, guys. In a pan, go in with your red oil. Reasonable amount of red oil, okay? Be generous with your red oil. Next is your pepper mix. Pour it in and stir everything, okay? And allow to fry. Please note that abacha, this recipe can be made in two different ways. Yes, abacha recipe. Yeah, you can do the abacha ncha, the one we use this, is it palm ash? They call it, yes, to make. But today we choose to do frying method, okay? So guys, just know that you can make your abacha in different ways, okay? Two, actually, I know. All right, guys, if you notice, we've added our fish. Yes, we added it this early because we want it to soak into the oil to give it a good blend and taste even better. Yes. So, guys, we're going to fry it for extra 1 minute, okay? This is us checking back after frying for a minute extra. Now, go ahead and take the fish off the oil. Afterwards, you set it aside. Please, if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome to Oma Sport. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, small chops and snacks, and even more, guys. So if it sounds interesting to you, if it sounds like something you're looking out for, please go ahead and subscribe, all right? Okay, guys, let's continue. If you notice, we just added our Ugba, yes. Once you've added it, go on and stir everything to well combine. And we're going to continue frying. We just added some salt. Now we're going in with some seasoning. Yes. Salt to taste, season to taste, okay? I used 1 cube of seasoning, yes, because the ogiri is kind of local seasoning plus the crayfish, so please do not over season, okay? 1 cube is just fine. Let's introduce our ogiri, locust bean or local seasoning. Yes. Guys, like I said earlier, you can get all the ingredients in any African store near you, okay? And for the list of the ingredients, I'll be leaving it in the description box, so do well to check it out. Some people do not like it because of its smell, but guys, I tell you, what is abacha without ugiri? Please do well to incorporate it. You will love it. Don't mind the smell. Moreover, we're just using one. You won't even notice, okay? You can even use more than one. All right, guys, now we are introducing our ground crayfish. Please, if you have this seeds, African nutmeg and uziza seed, go ahead and roast them a bit, blend, and as well include it. It takes the meal to the next level. I can't just find it here. This is us checking back after another extra 1 minute. Yes, guys, you notice our Ugba now is well dissolved, like soaked into the oil. That's the reason why we fried it a little longer. Yes, now this is our Abacha. If you notice, if you look closely, you will see that it is dried. Yes, like, not that wet. Now pour it in and stir everything nicely until it is well combined. Combine the sauce and the abacha well, okay? Like we used to in my village, or we use hands, we use our hand, yes, to mix it. So that is to say that you need to mix it very well. If need be, use your hand, okay? All right, guys, now we are topping in extra ground crayfish, just to garnish it up lastly. Now we're going in with our diced onions. Afterwards, you go ahead and stir everything together until it is well combined. And at this point, please reduce your heat, okay? Oh my guys, it is looking so delicious. Oh my, can you see that? Guys, do not sleep on this one. It is pretty simple and easy to make. Yes, you have no excuse. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just follow the process, okay? And you're good to having this delicious meal right on your dining table. Just need good. Look at that. Yummy. Please give it a go, okay? And let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. Also, if you want me to share video on the other way you can make your abacha, let me also know in the comment. And if you have watched to this extent, you followed me to this point, I appreciate you. You've done noble, honestly. Thank you so much. I also urge you to like my video, okay? If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Both are free. That is the only way you can support me, okay? Thank you so much. It is ready, guys. And here we are placing back our fish. And it is time to serve. Like always, serve with me, okay? This is looking good, guys. This is good. Oh my. Guys, it is looking super good, and I know it's going to taste good as well. So you keep on watching because we're going to test it together. We're going to be enjoying this abacha with our garden egg. If you notice, we've added it. Yes, all chopped, and some green leaf. Yes, leafy green. We made use of spinach. If you have otazi, yes, I don't know what it's called in English. Yes. It's kind of bitter, yeah. It's called otaze in my dialect. It's about to go down, guys. It tastes super good. Not only does it look good, guys, it tastes super good. Please give it a go, okay? All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and follow for more easy tasty recipes. Until next time, bye-bye.